Hello angels, my name is Ebony, and in this video I am going to walk you through a meditation. Well, not the entire meditation, but I'm going to give you tips on how to successfully meditate. Meditation is basically like giving your body, your mind, a mental shower. You're not thinking about the news. You're not thinking about your lover. You're not thinking about what you got to pay for. You're not thinking about anything when you set aside this time to meditate. You're thinking about your alignment, you're thinking about your emotions, and you're thinking about your feelings. Like, I want to show up and be the best version of me today. Okay? So no ill feelings, no feelings of regret, guilt, sorrow, anger, hurt. All of those are set aside for 15 to however many minutes. I'm going to meditate for 22 minutes today. First of all, there is no right or wrong way to meditate. Whatever works for you, works for you. You can do guided meditations. You can meditate in silence. You can have ocean streams playing or meditative music. You can go to a YouTube video of someone that is talking you through it and telling you when to breathe and telling you when to exhale. It's up to you, whatever works for you. I personally started with guided meditations. I started listening on YouTube to people that were saying, okay, breathe in, hold it, breathe out, and it worked for me at the time. I also started very general with general affirmations. Everything is working out for you. Everything is always working out. And I had that embedded in my subconscious. Then, as I got more comfortable just sitting still, holding my breath, taking notice of my breath, focusing on my breath, and releasing unwanted thoughts or thoughts that did not serve me, then I started to just meditate by myself, like with plain music. So you just sit in silence or with high vibrational music, and you breathe. You breathe in, and you breathe out. You're breathing in abundance. You're breathing out lack and limitation. You're breathing in love. You're breathing out hate. You're breathing in prosperity. You're breathing in everything that you want. You're calling those energies to you. And you're not thinking about anything. And I'm not going to say that thoughts are not going to come to your mind, because they are. The purpose of meditation is to quiet that chatter that's in your mind. The purpose of meditation is to remind you that everything is going to be okay. You are exactly where you are right now. So you set aside that time to focus on your mind, because you have to understand, you wake up in the morning, you're checking your phone, you're checking your social media, you're checking your emails, you're turning on the news, you're listening to the radio, you're listening to every single person except for yourself. So meditation is that time that you put to yourself, for your growth, for your spiritual growth, for your emotional growth, for you to connect with your inner voice. Okay? So it's very important, it's very beneficial, and it will change your life. This is one practice that I know has been monumental in me being focused, being calm, because calm is a superpower. For you to not curse somebody out for cutting you off on the way to work, that's a superpower. Because it's easy for you to, flip out. It's easy for you to cuss people out. It's easy for you to be angry. It's easy for you to be mad. But it takes a higher level of consciousness for you to say, you know what? It's okay. It's not worth my alignment. It's not worth me feeling upset. For 22 minutes, you can't get in contact with me. I don't open my eyes. This is a test. Okay, can you stay focused on this one task? Can you stay focused on you for now? Somebody knock on the door, you're not responding right now because you're focused. This is the task. That's the purpose of meditation, to connect to your source and to your guidance and to your inner being, your voice, God, the universe, your angels, whatever you want to call it. This is your time to hear that voice. So after you sit for 15 minutes, 22 minutes, 30 minutes, however long you want to sit, taking in your deep breaths, you've released any thoughts that no longer serve you, you're focusing on what you want to focus on. You are just at a state of euphoria. You're in a state of peace. And when that timer goes off and you open up your eyes, you just Give gratitude. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you to yourself for even sitting through it. And notice how your day goes. Notice how you get little blessings, even if it's something as simple as a compliment, or somebody may pay it forward for you, or you may get an idea. Somebody may call you. Something good is going to come to you, but you have to be alert. You have to pay attention, and you have to be aware that it is specifically for you, and it is a result of you meditating, you calming your mind, and you jump starting your day and being intentional with how you want to live your day for today. One of the most important things of meditation is your breath. Breathe, okay? A lot of times we hold our emotions. They're pent up, especially light workers, earth angels, people that are sensitive, people like me, okay? We hold in our emotions and we don't let them out, okay? I'm not the type that's going to be yelling and screaming on you, arguing. I'm not. I'm just going to transmute them. I want to stay calm, but still, you still absorb other people's energy. So meditation is a way for you to release that. Meditation is a way for you to just breathe in. Deep breaths are very important because it releases what's pent up inside of your body. Okay, your emotions are very important. Your energy, your vibration, all of that is very important. So you want to make sure that while you're meditating, you are breathing, actively breathing. Breathing exercises are very important. So it may be good for you to start with a guided meditation. I can't recommend anything for you because I want you to find your own. I want you to find what works for you, because what works for me may not work for you. So I don't really like to recommend particular meditations or anything. I just want you to find it for yourself. Okay? Find what works for you. What works for somebody else may not work for you. Like today I'm listening to waterfalls and ocean streams and meditative music like that. I'm not listening to a guided meditation this morning. So you have to get in tune with your own energy, your own emotions, and what works for you. That is the purpose of meditation. So you can block out what everybody else is thinking, what everyone else is doing, and focus on what is going to work for you. Okay, now it's time for me to put my phone down and do my 22 minutes of meditating, and then I will come back with you and see if I have any more to say to you. Make sure you enroll in one of my mini courses. I'm going to teach you for 3 days how to jumpstart your emotions, how to do the energy work, how to introduce new habits, how to release old patterns that no longer serve you, whether it's food, drug addiction, alcohol addiction, spending, sex, masturbation, porn, whatever you need to let go of, whatever you need to introduce. I will help you with that. So make sure you click the links in the description. Well, I just finished 22 minutes of meditating and I feel very calm. I dozed off, I feel like a little bit, there were several unwanted thoughts that I had to just take deep breaths and release it. This is not the time. Thanks, but no thanks. That's my favorite affirmation to say to myself while I'm meditating and a thought comes up that does not serve me. I always say thanks, but no thanks. I received some divine guidance and direction, and I just feel free. I feel calm. I feel cleansed, mentally. It is a good feeling. So, and I can even tell by the way I'm recording right now, like it has been effective. Those 22 minutes is just, I'm not anxious. It's not like I have so much I need to tell you. I'm in a calm, centered place. So, I hope you learned something. I hope I have sparked some interest in you meditating, or at least trying, even if you start with 5 to 10 minutes, just try to set aside some time out of your day to devote to yourself. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave me a comment. Check the links in the descriptions. I am working on my mini courses, 3-day courses to help you reintroduce positive habits, to help you transmute negative energies, to help you release old patterns, whatever it is you need to rid yourself of. Check the links in the descriptions. You can follow me on all my social media, download my books, download my meal planning guide, whatever, and enroll in my courses. Until the next video.